Hello everyone, how are you all? So you all are doing good. Today we are here with our new experiment in the experimental series, that is of dissection of hibiscus rosa sinensis, or you can say China rose. So let's start with this bisexual flower. Why it is considered as bisexual? Because it consists of both male reproductive organ as well as female reproductive organ. Therefore, it is considered as bisexual flower. And what are unisexual flowers? Those who consist of stamen only or pistil only are can be considered under the unisexual flower. So let's start. Before starting this, first of all, we have a China rose and a forceps and a needle. So let's start with the experiment. Okay. First of all, this is the pedicel. This part is considered as pedicel, which connects the flower to the stem, and by breaking it we can put it on the pedicel. Now second part is apicalyx. These small structures we have find out, these are apicalyx, and this large structure, green structure, that is present, that is known as calyx. What do you mean by calyx? Calyx are also known as sepals. Sepals are generally green. So this is the structure where whole the flower is situated, and this structure is known as thalamus. Now what are these colored parts? These colored parts are petals. These colored parts are petals, which are responsible for attracting the insects. Now all the petals are removed, and here we have put them down. Now this is the structure which consists of both male reproductive organ as well as female reproductive organ. Please zoom it. These small structure, bilobed structure, is considered as anther. These are anther, and the small stalk like structure, that is known as filament. And you can observe these structures are releasing pollen grains. These pollen grains, these dusting, pollen dusting, is present on the part anther, and filament is responsible for the movement of anther into the different organs. Now the main important part is, how do we find out a gynoecium, or you can say female reproductive part? First of all, we have to put the needle inside the part of flower, and now you can observe that this female reproductive system, we have find it, and removing it from the anther, or you can say the androecium. Now you can observe that we have find out the gynoecium, right? This is the female reproductive part of hibiscus rosa sinensis. In this module we have observed that these sticky appearances where the stigma, these stigma are covered with pollen grains, hence there is pollination occurs, right? And the second part is style, and the third part is ovary. In this module gynoecium is here present. This structure is considered as stigma. You can observe, this is stigma, this is style, and this is ovary. Now we have to remove the ovary. This is ovary is removed, and by finding out, we can observe that in the inside the ovary there are some ovules present inside the ovary. This is all about for the dissection of flower. What we have observed in this video, that these small structures are apicalyx, and these green structures, large structures which are protective in function, that are known as calyx, or you can say sepals. These colored part of the flower are considered as petals, or you can say corolla. These two parts are non-essential part, while these are androecium, which consists of anther and filament, and that is known as male reproductive part, while in the gynoecium that is known as female reproductive part, which consists of three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Clear to all? This is pedicel. Hope so you have liked our video. If you have found this informational, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Wish you all the best.